my family and friends. Welcome to another episode. Well, as you know, this weekend in New Orleans, it's Mardi Gras weekend. But we're going to do a little bit of dish here in good old Oklahoma. What we're doing is a smoked sausage Cajun Alfredo. So we're starting off. I'm getting my water ready. What I will do is cook 8 ounces of fettuccine. So I've got my water already started. Now then I'm going to take to my pot and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. So I went ahead, rather than doing it in my skillet, I went ahead and started in this pan because that'll give me room to put my Alfredo, my noodles and everything in one pan. Okay, we're going to get this kind of melted. To this, I am going to add 1 package of the round smoked sausage. I'm going to take it and let it cook in this butter. I'll kind of try to turn the sides to get it brown, as cooked evenly as I can on each side. That'll take probably about 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, the smoked sausage, I got it cooked, and I took it and put it into a bowl to keep it warm, and I put it on paper towels to kind of soak up some of the butter that we cooked it in. Now I am starting off with 1/4 of a cup of unsalted butter in the pan that we cooked the sausage in. And I'm going to take and add a 1/2 onion. This is just a yellow onion, but I just kind of sliced it up. And then I'm taking 1/2 of a red bell pepper and 1/2 of a yellow bell pepper. And we're going to just kind of let this cook for just a little bit. It won't take long, 2 or 3 minutes or so. It kind of gets, that onions and stuff gets kind of translucent and gets a little bit soft. Okay, our peppers and onions have been cooking about 2 or 3 minutes. So I'm going to go and add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic to this. And I'm going to continue cooking for probably another minute, 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, I've got this is cooked just about a couple of minutes here. So now we have our bell peppers, onion, and garlic well cooked here. Oh, that taste is, it'll taste so good, smells so good. But we're going to take and add 2 cups of heavy cream. It calls for whipping cream or heavy cream. What I had was 1 cup of whipping cream, and then I had some half and half. So that it's a cup, mine tonight is a cup of whipping cream and 1 cup of half and half. All right, now we're going to add our seasonings to this. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of the Cajun seasoning. Now I have the bought seasoning, but I have a recipe to where you can make your own Cajun seasoning if you wish to. If you'd like to have that, let me know in the comments and I can give it to you. Okay, to this also I'm going to add salt, which is 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and it calls for 1/4 crushed red pepper, but I only went with 1/8 of a teaspoon to kind of cut down the heat, because I got to where I can't go the heat so much anymore. So this is going to cook for about, well, we're going to let it come to a boil, stirring it occasionally, and then once it comes to a boil, I'm going to turn the heat down and let it simmer for about 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, this is cooked for about 10 minutes here. Starting to get thick. The sauce is starting to get thick, and that's what we want. Now we're going to take 1 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, and stir that in until it's melted good. Okay, to this now we're going to go ahead and add our smoked sausage that we've previously cooked. A few little bits of the cheese that still kind of needs to be dissolved. Let me get that done, and then we will put in the other. Okay, putting in our cooked smoked sausages. And now we're going to add our cooked fettuccine that I've already rinsed it, drained it, and rinsed it. So now then we're just going to kind of stir it together here, get all that sauce in the noodles. Now, if it's too thick for you, you can always take and add just a little bit more, half and half, to kind of loosen the sauce up. Usually take and sprinkle some parsley on top of it. And there you have. That is our smoked sausage Cajun Alfredo. Really appreciate everybody that watches every week. It means a lot to us, and we would like for you to comment if there's anything that you'd like for us to cook. I'd be happy to try it if you'll just put it in the comments. Now remember, God is good all the time.
All the time, God is good.
Bye.